Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back. Today I have some diamond paintings to show you from one of my favorite sites to go to, and that is Fansells. You know, I find fantastic Fansells finds when I go to Fansells. So first of all, let's say thank you to Fansells for letting me pick out a few items to show you, and I think you're gonna really like them. I like them. You can see we've got several 30 by 30 size paintings here, and we got something special in our little bag. So let's get to it and show you what we got. All right, I try to find some things that are a little different, like this. Toolkit, I'll come with one of those. Okay, I love this one. I think that is super cute. We got the treble clef, we got the keyboard kind of surrounding, and it's all beautiful colors, rainbow colors. I just thought that was really, really pretty. Lots of drills on this. The only thing that doesn't get drills is that like background, this bluish black background, but it's going to be really pretty. Look at all those colors. There are probably 8 different rhinestones, and it looks like 3 special drills, A, B, and C. I see some C's right here. There's some B's. I don't know about the A. I don't see the A. Maybe the A is rhinestone. I don't know. Where's A? No idea. I'm not seeing it. All right, let's look at our drills. We'll see what we have. Yep, looks like, I don't know. That's number 3. Thought I saw A, but I didn't. Okay, here we go. What do we have? We have clear rhinestones. We have some black, gold, a very beautiful grapish purple color, pretty blue, orange, green, yellow, and another purple. Okay, so A is a purple. Okay, A is the purple. And then we have these 2 round faceted in green and pink. There we go. That's why I didn't see any special drill A's. There aren't any. All right. So that's really pretty. Anyhow, I liked that one. I can see the A's now. They're going here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yep. Okay. I love it. Love, love, love it. Okay. Next. What do we have next? Well, you know my love of owls. I love my owls. And look at that one. Just sitting on a branch. Got all these lanterns hanging there. It's so pretty. I love this one. This one has 10 different drills. I liked the coloring of it. I love the glow from the lights. I love everything about that. I think it's super, super cute. What do you think about it? I like it. I like it a lot. All right, let's look at our drills. Got a cat going after the dog over here. We got a lot of clear rhinestones. A pretty green, some brown, a really light brown, gold, a limeish green. That's almost like a light tan. And then we have these little gold balls. We have green faceted marquees, and they're iridescent, and little round faceted clear iridescent as well. Love that. Love it, love it, love it. Super cute. All right, so that's another option for you. I will have all of them linked below, so you can go check them out, find them quickly and easily. This one's a little different for me. I don't drink coffee, but I thought this is super cute. I loved all the flowers around it. Look at all of the drills. There are, oh my goodness, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 different drills. Lots of color here. I loved the hearts, the peace sign that's a heart, and happy day. It just kind of made me happy and smile. This was in their new release category. I always try to check out the new category first when I'm picking out things, because, you know, all the newest, latest, and greatest stuff is there. That was the ice maker. We got our refrigerator fixed yesterday. Woohoo! All right. So we have some clear rhinestones, some green. Oh, this is a beautiful color. I love that. Like a hot pink fuchsia color, a gold, a blue, another pink, purple, brownish gold, peachish brown, tan. You call them what you want. All right, iridescent, faceted, marquise, clear. Same shape, just in red. Love it. Then we have some pink hearts. Beautiful. We have some gold shards. And look at those bad boys. Boom, boom. Those are the flower centers. Those are big. Oh, those are big. Those are huge. So I thought it was super cute. You know, like I said, even though I don't drink coffee, I liked the flowers. I liked the pretty colors. And I just love the peace, the hearts, and have a happy day. Just have a happy day. All right, and then this one. I mean, how could I not get that one when I saw that? Great big old sunflower. Just swishy, wavy, swirlies. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I love sunflowers. You know that. All right, so this has 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 different drills on that one. Love it. Let's check out the drills and see what we get. There's going to be a lot of special drills in this one. I see all the way up through E. So A, B, C, D, and E. Maybe. We'll see. Let's check them out. All right, what do we get? Well, the first one that didn't start with clear. It starts with red rhinestones, and then pink, and a pretty purple. There's that pretty blue again. I love that blue. That is so pretty. Lime green, another green, gold, orange, and here's our special drills. So in the round faceted, well, actually we have a half a drill right there. You see it? I have a half. But we have faceted, iridescent, clear, and look at the blue. Wow, that is so pretty. That's picking up all kinds of colors. Then we have some large white pearls, and then we have marquise in green. They're smaller, and then these big honking pink ones. Wow, they're going to go all the way around the sunflower, those pinks. That is pretty, isn't it? Whoa, love it. Love, love, love it. All right, so there are our paintings, and now let's check out our last item. This order came really quick. Like really quick, faster than others. I mean, they're all a little delayed right now because, you know, China was on holiday. So they're all taking a little longer. But this one was super quick from Fansells. It was like one of the most recent orders, and it's one of the first ones that came in. Go figure. I don't know how that works. But that's how it worked. All right. This one I thought was unique because there's our toolkit again. Here's some little chains. This has 2 pieces. Look, 2. They're smaller, but there's 2 of them. I like that, okay? So they'll both hang, and look at, they're dragonflies. So there's holes right here to put your hanging chain to hang them. And look at all the pretty flowers. And look, it's not just round, it's like cut out. We got like little leaves poking out, the wings are poking out. I liked that about it. We're going to get some special drills here for the body. So there's that variety. And then there's this one. Look at it. Isn't that cool? I really liked these. Now they had a few 2-packs with different subject matter. But I liked the dragonflies, of course. Look at those. I like them. I like those a lot. All right, this is a big old pack of drills. Of course, we got 2 things to put drills on, so we got to have a few more drills probably. But let's see what we get. Surprise, surprise. It's always fun to get into these, especially when you find something interesting and different. Oh, hey, there's a individual pack. There's clear and a goldish brown and like a, I don't know, salmony color. That's 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Then we have a very light yellowy beige color, a couple of pinks, an orange and a purple, pretty like ice blue, very bright yellow, another blue, a green, and another blue. Here's our special drills. The round faceted clear. Look at those, cobalt blue, little small, little marquees. That's going to be the body. That is totally got to be on their bodies. That's going to be cool. And then those are pink. They are pink. Yes, they are. Wow, those are cool. And then we have a hair, sorry. And then a yellow faceted round. I love that. Wow. Those are going to go like inside the centers of the flowers. So pretty. Okay, this one's interesting because it's going to hang. How's that hang? Oh, it hangs this way. He hangs like that. So he's kind of flying like at an angle. Ah, cool. So he goes like that. I like it. Okay. Well, folks, that is what I got from Fansells. And I love every single thing. Love them all, right? So let's see. Can we recap? Can we? Let's see. We have the sunflower. We have the happy day little coffee. We have an owl, of course. I mean, you know, owls. And then this one. Let's see if we can put all this on here together. Can you see it all? Can you see it all? Let's zoom you out. There. What do you think? Pretty, right? Pretty. I love them. Okay. Like I said, they'll be linked below so you can find them if you would like to find them quickly. And I do recommend with any of the companies, check out their new releases, new things, because that's the good place to go to find all the new stuff. And they do have new stuff. They do it kind of like everybody kind of does it around the same time. Like the manufacturers get a whole bunch of new stuff and then all the stores get it. So they kind of all update kind of at the same time, sort of. Anyhow, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you like. Let me know your thoughts. And please hit that like button, subscribe button. We're marching towards 8,000. We're still gaining. Hey, we're moving along. So thank you so much for everything you do. You know, sharing videos, hitting the like button, comments, all of that stuff. Send something out there to the world that says, hey, show these videos. People like them. Okay, so I appreciate it. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. And I will see everybody soon. Bye, you guys.